Exposing the truth behind Chevy Colorado's speedometer problems. Wondering why your dashboard suddenly went silent? Let's break down what's really going on. Your speedometer is more than just a number. It tells you how fast you're going and keeps you safe on the road. So, when it stops working, that's a big deal. The most common reason for this problem in Chevy Colorados: a faulty vehicle speed sensor. This tiny part sends information from your wheels to your dashboard. If it goes bad or gets dirty, your speedometer can freeze or drop to zero. Another culprit could be a blown fuse or loose wiring. Electrical glitches can mess with your dash, sometimes even causing other warning lights to flicker. Finally, if your Colorado is older, the instrument cluster itself might be wearing out. That's the set of gauges behind your steering wheel, and when it malfunctions, your speed readings can be way off or disappear altogether. So, what should you do? If your speedometer isn't working, drive slowly and get it checked by a mechanic right away. Ignoring the issue can lead to accidents or even tickets. Stay safe out there, and remember, just because your speedometer's quiet doesn't mean you should be.